Hi friends, I'm Nitin, a professional cinematographer and an independent filmmaker. This June, Pathway School Noida brings to you a fun-filled summer workshop on filmmaking. In this 6-day workshop, you get to learn all elements of filmmaking, namely writing, directing, cinematography, editing, and sound. Participants get to make their own film in the first 5 days, and on day 6, they get to screen their film and also talk about it, mimicking a film festival setup. I look forward to having you on board on this fun-filled journey of creating, collaborating, and expressing through the craft of filmmaking. See you.